am Shantika Bhuya from ECCO. My registration number is 19BC7082. Today I want to discuss about the topic emotion recognition in human computer interaction. This topic is taken from IEEE magazine, IEEE Signal Processor magazine. So let's talk about this topic. So this is our PPT.
Let's see what is in the human emotions.
Let's talk about the abstracts. Two channels have been distinguished in human interaction. One transmits explicit messages, which may be about anything or nothing. The other transmits implicate messages about the speakers themselves. Both linguistics and technology have invested enormous efforts in understanding the first explicit channel, but the second is not as well understood. Understanding the other part's emotions is one of the key tasks associated with the second implicate channel. To tackle the task, signal processing and analysis techniques have to be developed, while at the same time consolidating psychological and linguistics analysis of emotion. The article examines basic issues in those areas. It is motivated by the PKYSTA project, in which we aim to develop a hybrid system capable of using information from faces and voice to recognize people's emotions. Published in IEEE Signal Processing Magazine, Volume 18, Issue 1, January 2001. Pages 22 to 80. Date of publication January 2001. ISSN information. INSPEC SCN number 6892132. DOI number is 10.1109/79.91197. Publisher IEEE. Implicit channel. The implicit channel is a major feature of human communication and in progress is made towards protecting it. Then applications can be expected to follow. It is useful, however, to indicate the kinds of applications that can easily be frozen. In particular applications that provide a context against which to access the likely relevance of different theoretical approaches. These possibilities can be summarized under 9 headlines, beginning with broad categories and then considering more specific applications. Authors, figures, reference, and keywords. Let's talk about some IEEE keywords: emotion recognition, human signal analysis, psychology, proposal, testing, context, medical signal processing, face recognition, speech recognition. INSPEC controlling, indexing, feature recognition, speed-based user interface, speech recognition, psychological linguistics. INSPEC non-controlled index Emotion recognition, human computer interaction, implicate messengers, signal processing, signal analysis, psychological analysis, linguistics analysis, PKYST projects, hybrid system, phased and voice. This is our block diagram.
See, in this video, in this image, there is perceptual expectations of emotions like happy, surprise, fear, disgust, anger, and sad, etc. So this is just general way of different types of emotions related to the human. So let's see what is meant by human emotions. Next. So first, what is human emotions? Generally, we all are familiar with this topic. We all know that different types of emotions are generated in different types of situations, right? So psychologists have studied emotional response for decades, and there are many theories as to what is happening when we feel an emotions and why such a response occur. So psychologists studied on that emotions, right? The definitions of human emotions is there is a James Lange theory. It defines that emotions was the interpretation of psychological response rather than other way round. In different situation, different response are occur, right? So human emotions is depend on nature of human, the situations, and also intentions of the human, right? So emotions was the interpretation of physiological response. Clear? Our emotional response to situation affects how we perform. So this is just general way of the human emotions. Next. Again, there are various theories about emotions in HCI. Various theories of how emotions work. There are three scientists, that is James Lange, Cannon, and Sacher Singer. So these three scientists define the emotions in different ways. These are some psychologists. They study in more deep way regarding human emotions. So let's see what is James Lange theory. Emotions is our interpretation of psychological response of stimuli. Clear? Next, canon. Canon theory is emotions is a psychological response. Okay. And next, Singer theory is emotion is the result of our evaluation of our psychological responses in the light of the whole situation we are in. Emotions clearly involve both cognitive and physical response to stimuli. So what is meant by cognitive and physical response and how this theory exactly work? Let's see in my next slides. Next. Again, there are some theory related to the emotions. The biological response to physical stimuli is called affect. Affect means there are two types of affect, like positive and negative. Affect influences how we respond to situation. There are only two ways, positive and negative. If our way is positive, then creative problem solving things are generated, right? But if our ways are negative, then narrow thinking sides are generated. Clear? We all are familiar with positive and negative emotions or responses, right? The negative effects can make it harder to the even easy task, and positive effects can make easier to difficult task. Okay. In real life, there are different situations are occur, and this positive and negative response, we all are familiar with that. Okay. If our ways are negative, then easy tasks makes harder. But even if our ways are positive, then difficult tasks also makes easier. So this is the Donald Norman scientist theory about emotions. Then there are some theory related to the emotions. Implications for interface design. See, the stress will increase the difficulty of problem solving, right? The relaxed users will be more forgiving of shortcomings in design. Aesthetically pleasing and rewarding interface will increase positive effects. We all are familiar with that situation, the stress, the relaxedness or pleasing environment, right? So in this environment, other than stress, the work will get completely, right? Next, emotions recognition. So human computer interaction, there are different ways for recognize emotions. You can recognize emotions through speech. You identify the emotions by listening voice of that particular person, right? Next, gesture and action recognition. According the gesture or gesture of that particular person, you identify the emotions of that particular person. Clear? Next one is facial expression. Also, according the facial expression of that particular person, you have to identify the emotions, right? And last, emotion recognition. Okay, so these are the emotional recognition. Through this, you should identify emotions regarding the particular persons. See, this is just image or symbol of different types of emotions. Like it shows happiness, sadness, fear, then disgust, anger, and surprise. Clear? So these things in general life or each and every day we used these things for each and every situation. Clear? So this is emotion recognition. Okay? Next. Now examples of human emotions. Okay? Positive emotions and negative emotions. We all are familiar with this. Positive emotions enable us to think more creatively to solve complex problems, and negative emotions pushes us toward negative thinking. A problem may be easy to solve when we are relaxed, and it will become difficult if we are frustrated or afraid. Clear? The positive emotions include, see in this diagram, desire, gratitude, euphoria, joy, then happiness, empathy, hope, pride, etc. These all are positive emotions, okay? And positive emotions always makes toward you for success. Clear? So these are some examples of human emotions. Okay, next. And there are some examples of human emotions. See here. Common sense says we lose our fortune. When we lose our fortune, we are sorry and weep. These are the emotions, right? When we meet a bear, are frightened and run. Like these are again emotions. We are insulted by a rival. Rival means competent person. Okay. Then our emotions like angry or strike. Clear? So these are the some emotions. The hypothesis here or the hypothesis of that examples are we feel sorry because we cry, right? Angry because we strike and afraid because we tremble. So these are the some examples of human emotions and we all are familiar with that. Next. Now there are some positive and negative impact. This is the difference between positive and negative impact. Positive impact increase the creativity, right? Also, positive impact encourage helping behavior and cooperation. Positive impact reduce aggression against organization and people. And positive emotions is also leads to accuracy in the word. Clear? Then see here negative emotions. Negative emotions aggression towards colleagues. Negative emotions is dissatisfaction with the job. Negative emotions frequent fights and negative emotions is actinism. Clear? So this is difference between positive emotions and negative emotions. Okay? So you should always focus on positive emotions only. See, human emotions is also related with the human computer interactions also. See here, one example, when you are using your mobile or internet connectivity, right? Or sometimes the internet connectivity is slow down or not used properly. Like, so what is your reaction? You will get frustrated. You are in angry mood sometimes, right? So this is the human emotions related to the human computer interactions. Hope so you understood each and every points related to the human emotions regarding human computer interaction. Thank you.